Samsung Galaxy S21 FE 5G. From its sleek design to its powerful hardware, this phone is truly a game changer. Hi, I am Deepak. Welcome to our channel where we share the latest reviews and tricks in the world of smartphones. Subscribe to our channel for exciting and informative content. Let's dive right into it. The Samsung Galaxy S21 FE 5G boasts a stunning 6.4-inch display with a full HD plus resolution of 2400 x 1800 pixels. The Infinity O design provides an immersive viewing experience with vibrant colors, deep blacks, and excellent contrast ratios. This device is perfect for enjoying your favorite YouTube videos with utmost clarity. Under the hood, the Galaxy S21 FE 5G is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 or latest equivalent processor, ensuring snappy performance and seamless multitasking. Coupled with up to 8 GB of RAM, this smartphone can handle even the most demanding games and apps with ease. For all the photography enthusiasts out there, the Galaxy S21 FE 5G doesn't disappoint. It features a versatile triple camera setup consisting of a 12 megapixel primary sensor, a 12 megapixel ultra-wide sensor, and an 8 megapixel telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom. These cameras are equipped with various modes and features to capture stunning photos and videos in different scenarios. As the name suggests, this smartphone comes with 5G capabilities, ensuring lightning fast downloads and upload speeds. Whether you are streaming high-definition videos or engaging in real-time online activities, the Galaxy S21 FE 5G has got you covered. With a respectable 4500 mAh battery, the S21 FE 5G offers impressive battery life. And when it's time to recharge, this device supports fast charging and wireless charging, making it convenient to top up your battery on the go. Running on Samsung's One UI based on the latest version of Android, the S21 FE 5G offers a smooth and intuitive user experience. You can expect useful features, customization options, and regular software updates to keep your device up to date. The smartphone comes in various storage configurations with options ranging from 128 GB to 256 GB. This gives you ample space to store your favorite videos, photos, apps, and more. That concludes our review on the Samsung Galaxy S21 FE 5G. Subscribe to our channel and save money on your dream phones. Please do check out our website for the best renewed smartphone deals.